Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit ako pala'y nag-iisang angat, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Di ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay Damang-dama ng puso ko, mahirap matayain ang isip damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanto, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambahin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita, giliw ka.
I never know what brought me here. I said somebody laid my head. This is a hardy heart still, my course lay. And listen that it's got a soul, and by your side you rise and fall, but only for a moment's time. Not a catch and catch again. And we're just a little piece of the puzzle, just a little part of the plan. Oh, what I'm trying to see out there. It's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together. We're traveling through as far as we can. And we have waited for this moment in time, ever since the world began. Taking any time to buy, we wondered how it all began. But never lost, still we try to understand. And even though the seas on stage, the weasels try to mend the same. It's love that keeps us holding on till we can see the sun again. And we're just a little piece of the puzzle, just a little part of the plan. And we are waiting for this moment in time, ever since the world began. And I sang along a bed of songs against the right of way. And the lights flash longer, and the wind cries your name. And we're search for clues, we are loose, and this we're all the same. We are still born eternal, we're the keeper of the flame. Yeah, and we're just a little piece of the puzzle, just a little part of the plan. Oh, what I'm trying to see out there, it's so hard to understand. So we walk this road together, we're trying to as far as we can. We have waited for this moment in time, ever since the world began. Nangisilang ka sa mundong ito, laging tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ang gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may kalong ka ng iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon ay malaki ka na, nais mo'y maging malaya, di man sila payag, wala magagawa. to you with shattered fantasies. Well, I'm all grown up now, and still it hurts so bad. I'm not a child, but my heart still can dream. So hear my lifelong wish, my grown-up Christmas Eve, not for myself, but for all the world and me. No more lights turn apart, the words have let us talk, and time will heal our hearts. Everyone would have a plan, and while we always wait, and love will live forever. No, this is my grown-up Christmas Eve.
Hello mga higala. Tapos na yung surgery ko sa lungs. Pero biglang nahirapan ako huminga. So, dinala ako sa ICU. Tapos ngayon, may tubig pala yun. May inflammation ng lungs ko. So, ginagawa na nila ng paraan. So, pag-steroids ang pinainom sa akin ng doktor para sa inflammation. So, ngayon, pag-pray niyo ako, guys, please. Pag-pray niyo ako na natatapos ito pagsubok na ito. Pag-pray niyo ako.